waged
Prime
war.
Minister of the Republic of India, may I request protocol to escort His Excellency. I have great pleasure in welcoming His Excellency Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of the Republic of India. I invite him to address the General Assembly.
नमस्कार साथियों.
Good morning, friends.
His Excellency अब्दुल्ला शाहिद जी,
His Excellency Mr. Abdullah
आपको अध्यक्ष
Shahid.
पद संभालने की
First of all, I would like to
हार्दिक बधाई.
warmly congratulate you on
आपका अध्यक्ष
assuming
बनना
the office of President of the
सभी विकासशील
UNGA.
देशों
Your becoming president
और
is a
विशेषकर
matter of pride for all developing
small
countries
island developing
and
states के
in
लिए
particular for small island
गौरव की
developing
बात है.
states.
अध्यक्ष महोदय,
Mr. President,
गत 1.5 वर्ष से
for the last 1.5 years,
पूरा विश्व
the world
100 साल
has
में
been
आई सबसे
grappling with
बड़ी
the worst pandemic
महामारी का
it has
सामना
seen
कर
in 100 years.
ऐसी भयंकर महामारी में
I pay tribute
जीवन
to
गंवाने
all
वाले
those who have lost their lives
सभी लोगों
in
को
the deadly corona
मैं
pandemic,
श्रद्धांजलि देता हूं और
and
परिवारों
I
के साथ
express my condolences
संवेदनाएं व्यक्त करता
to
हूं.
their families.
अध्यक्ष महोदय,
Mr. President,
मैं उस देश का
I
प्रतिनिधित्व कर रहा
represent
हूं
a country
जिसे
that
मदर ऑफ
is
डेमोक्रेसी का
proud to be
गौरव
known
हासिल.
as the mother of democracy.
लोकतंत्र की हमारी
We
हजारों
have had
वर्षों की
a
महान
great
परंपरा रही.
tradition of democracy that goes back thousands of
इस
years.
15 अगस्त को
On 15th of
भारत ने
August this year,
अपनी आजादी के
India entered
75वें
the
साल में प्रवेश
75th
किया.
year of its independence.
हमारी विविधता
Our diversity
हमारे सशक्त लोकतंत्र
is
की
the
पहचान है.
identity of our strong
एक ऐसा
democracy.
देश
It is a country
जिसमें
that has
दर्जनों भाषाएं
dozens
हैं,
of languages,
सैकड़ों बोलियां हैं,
hundreds of dialects,
अलग अलग रहन सहन
different
खान पान.
lifestyles and cuisines.
ये वाइब्रेंट
This is
डेमोक्रेसी
the
का
best
बेहतरीन
example of a
उदाहरण है.
vibrant democracy.
ये भारत के लोकतंत्र की ताकत है.
The strength of our
एक
democracy
छोटा बच्चा
is demonstrated
जो
by the
कभी
fact that a little
एक
boy
रेलवे स्टेशन
who
के
at
टी
one
स्टॉल
time used to help
अपने
his
पिता
father
की मदद
at
करता
his tea
था,
stall at the railway
आज
station is Minister of
चौथी
India.
बार सबसे लंबे समय तक
I will soon have spent 20 years serving my countrymen as head of government, first as the longest serving Chief Minister of Gujarat and then as Prime Minister for the last 7 years.
और
And
मैं अपने
I
अनुभव
am
से
saying
कह
this
रहा
to you from my own
Yes.
experience. Yes,
हूं, डेमोक्रेसी कैन डिलीवर.
democracy can deliver.
यस,
Yes,
डेमोक्रेसी
democracy has delivered.
अध्यक्ष महोदय,
Mr. President,
एकात्म मानव
today is the birth anniversary
पंडित
of
दीनदयाल
Pandit
उपाध्याय जी
Deen Dayal
जन्म जयंती.
Upadhyay, the proponent of Ekatma Manav Darshan.
एकात्म मानव दर्शन यानी
Ekatma Manav Darshan means
humanism.
integral humanism,
अर्थात
or
स्व से
the development journey undertaken together, the expansion from the self to the universe,
expansion of the self,
expansion of the self,
moving from
moving from the individual to society,
the nation
to the nation, and to entire humanity.
और ये चिंतन
And this philosophy
अंत्योदय
is dedicated to Antyodaya.
अंत्योदय को आज की परिभाषा
The modern day definition of Antyodaya is where no one is left behind. It is with this principle in mind that India today is moving forward on the path of integrated, equitable development. Our priority is that development should be all-inclusive, all-pervasive, universal, and one that nurtures all. During the last 7 years, India has brought over 430 million people who were previously unbanked into the banking system. Today, over 360 million people who earlier could not even imagine this was possible now have insurance coverage as security. By giving over 500 million people the facility of free treatment in hospitals, India has given them access to quality health services. By building 30 million proper homes, India has made homeless families homeowners.